Richard Onyonka abe
yes
abe governor, Machogwa abe deputy, Magara abe senator.
Yes.
Okay. Hii kadi itatoa Simba kwa ofisi. Hii kadi itatoa Simba kwa ofisi. Yani combination
the truth is, let me tell you. I will give it my best to discuss with the team.
Okay.
Walitole se Matiangi to agree that we look for an amicable way. Number one, we can go under what we call consensus.
All right.
Turangiria bagaka na bangina na baba 200 baikaranze na baga chorwa at random. Ese holi eyo bate uri sakarandira. Otobwate mugaka Machogwe governor. Onyonka abe governor. Na Nyagete abe governor. Nyagete abe women rep na Nyagete. Esa bantaba. Beka X will say yes. Urioro chorabe. Uira masakara you aligeri. It will tell you.
All right.
Number two, ekarakuwa pikiri that you now use it to argue amongst yourself. You see, I'm a bit ahead. Let me be. I want to come with me, and then we push.
Right.
The second one, ni purely scientific. Oli infra truck, toba contract the team, toba they genda motokolere infra truck moto tebi. According to you, who is the best person? Which is the best combination, and who is the best women rep.
Right.
Tobe kebi interviamo, then we agree. Sometimes human beings are very difficult. If I find I am popular and Omogusi has agreed to vote for me from whichever method we use,
okay,
I promise you, even if the team decides that I shouldn't run, I will run.
Okay.
But if I find that my chances are half and half, like they tell me, no competitor, I agree with that.
All right.
But what I'm saying is, our agenda as a team is to make sure that using democracy to change into very county every county ya maskani abantu workers bacho rukurisi nyumba cyo cyagusi kibese cya serikali ya county kirendwe amaskani abororo kinyagitari kisibigwe kirabete ebinde bya corruption togonya korora biere. It doesn't mean abantu mba koros kibese through legal means. Democracy na capitalism yetu bwade nabo muntu ogocha no kore gazi ya serikali kuicha tabo muiri nabo kobeka nono mwana oyo bugite gose nsalimacha abasande bane nabo kubabeka bakole tena ichikondire kubakani.
Right.
But you cannot have people basically back watch hot air. Yani in the very account is just hot air. Hot air babeka 240 million hot air, pay somebody in advance 246 million. 3 years the house has never moved, set another one. And Moe was there tendering and procurement. No, who is given? Aba wodia was 19 vale, abara basani banyagete, bago etero uchi absuna mate, chikambuni na yichabo, mugusita yora karagachi eyo, after all mugusiyoko moe gasi, oendo whatever moko ibanere, bagusina banta babe. Those are the challenges of corruption to what is the county of Songo.
All right.